I'm Tom Merritt from Daily Tech News Show. Here are the top 5 coffee drinks. This one's for you, Zoe. Coffee. You may ask, why is a tech top 5 doing coffee? Why not? I counter. How many tech advancements do you think have been fueled by coffee? Many, I say. Possibly a majority. It's not the only drink of geeks, but it has a vaunted place among them. So let's count down the top 5 types of coffee drinks. At number 5, Vietnamese coffee. Put sweetened condensed milk on the bottom of the glass, add a Vietnamese coffee filter on top, put your grounds on the filter, and then pour hot water over it. It's basically a pour over right into the glass with the sweetened condensed milk. It is the sweetest and creamiest coffee on this list. Also, a hat tip to the egg coffee, which beats condensed milk, egg yolk, and sugar together before pouring the coffee over it. Coming in at number 4, the cappuccino. Equal parts espresso, steamed milk, and thick foam, which makes it different from the latte, which has more milk than coffee. Legend has it the cappuccino was originally made by monks of the Order of Friars Minor Capuchin, hence the name Cappuccino. Up to number 3, the Americano. Espresso in hot water. As legend has it, the drink was invented during World War II as a way to satisfy U.S. soldiers who wanted a cup of joe, good old black coffee, but all the Europeans had was espresso. Also, iced Americano is practically the national drink of Korea. Sliding in at number 2, the latte. Mostly steamed milk with espresso and a small amount of foam on top. Since it's more milk than coffee, it has a smoother, gentler taste, possibly why it's the most popular coffee order in the United States. At number 1, black coffee. Drip, pour over, French press, AeroPress, whatever. Grounds infused into hot water. Some take it with cream or milk. I take mine black as midnight on a moonless night. I love all types of coffee. I drink a lot of the ones on this list, but the one I have to start each day is a cup of hot black drip coffee. It's the best. Look, this could have been a top 20. You got your flat whites, your Turkish coffee, your macchiatos, your affogatos, your cafe con leche, your cafe au lait, your Irish coffee. Heck, there's even some excellent instant coffee out there. What's your favorite coffee drink? Let me know in the comments. And if you would like more great tech news and info, like and subscribe to our channel, youtube.com/dailytechnewsshow. Get the podcast at dailytechnewsshow.com. And if you can, help support us at patreon.com/DTNS. I'll see you there.